you the 2020 S4. When it comes to the Audi S4, nothing is left to chance. It is purposeful and powerful, and it turns heads, moving or parked. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, tires, rear performance, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.